Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English Zoom lesson. What do you see in this picture? Yes, the boy is jumping. The children are playing. They are doing something, right, children? And what are the doing words called? They are called verbs. Excellent, children. You remember everything that we have taught you. Excellent. So jump and plays are doing words. They are called verbs. Today we are going to revise present and past tense. You know what present and past tenses are, right? Whatever is happening now or happens on a regular basis is the present tense. And whatever has happened in the past is the past tense. So we are going to revise today. Whatever is happening. Objectives. To identify present and past tense. To use present and past tense accurately in sentences. Present tense. Let us find out about present tense. Present tense indicates an action that is happening now, like it is raining. Do you remember the rules of simple present tense, children? Good. With words I, you, we, they, we add a verb as it is. We do not add anything to the verb. We just use the verb. If the verb is play, we use it as it is. We don't do anything to it. With words he, she, and it, we use a verb, but we add an S to it. Okay, children? So remember, with words he, she, and it, and the names, we use a verb and add an S to it. Example, Bill jogs every day. Here, Bill is the name of a boy, right, children? So it is not I, you, we, and they, right? It's a name. So we are going to use the verb jog in this sentence. And because it's a name, we add an S to the verb. All right, children? So the verb jog becomes jogs. So Bill jogs every day. He plays basketball every Sunday. Here, children, because we are using the word he, the verb used in the sentence is play. So because it is he, we are going to add S to the verb play. So it becomes plays. He plays basketball every Sunday. Past tense. The past tense indicates actions that have already happened. Do you remember the rules of past tense, children? For most of the words, verb plus ed. For most of the word, we add ed at the end of the verb. For some words, the root word changes into a new word. Examples, the butterflies flew away. Here the verb given was fly, but they have already flown away, they have gone. All right, so we changed the verb over here, the verb fly to flew. We changed the spelling of these verbs. The girl ate her food. The girl is not eating. She has already finished eating her food. So we change the verb eat into ate. Remember, note that is singular and are is plural are used as present tense. In present tense, we use is for one thing. And when we are talking about more than one thing, we use the word are. Note that was and were are used as past tense. Was is used for one thing and were is used for more than one thing. Exercise. Underline the present tense with blue and past tense in red in the following sentences. Sentence 1. He drinks milk every day. Here, children, you have to underline present tense with blue color and past tense in red color. So he drinks milk every day. What is the verb over here, children? Very good. Drinks. So which color we have to use for the present tense? Blue, right? And for past tense, red. So which color you're going to use for this? Excellent. It is blue color. So drinks is in the present tense. What will be the past tense of drink? Excellent. Drank. She learned for the test yesterday. Which word is the verb in the sentence, children? Very good. It is learned. So the verb learned is in present tense or in the past tense. We know the root word is learn, right? And in present tense, we only add s. So what is the tense of this word? Excellent. It is a past tense. And why we have used the past tense? Because she learned for the test yesterday. Yesterday has already gone. So learned. Excellent, children. It is in the past tense. He went to the market yesterday. So which word is the verb in the sentence, children? Excellent, children. Went. Now, went is in the present tense or in the past tense? Good. It is in the past tense because he went to the market yesterday. Yesterday is already gone. It is in the past. He drives car every day. So which word is the verb over here, children? Excellent. It is drives. That means he is driving right now or every day. That is happening every day. We told that whatever happens every day, it is in the present tense. So we add s to the verb when we are using it with the word he, she, and it. So here you can see, children, it is the word he. So s has been added to the verb drive. Circle the past tense verbs. We know that ed is added to most of the words in the past tense. Can you find one? Excellent. Danced. Is run in the past tense? No, it is not. Jumped. Is it a past tense verb? Yes, excellent. Learned? No, because s is added to the present tense verbs. Excellent, children. What about the next one? Walked, is it? Wonderful, it is indeed. What about the next word? Missed. Yes, I see an ed at the end, so it is in the past tense. It is a past tense verb. What about rises? No, it is not. Excellent, children. Choose the correct present tense verbs in each sentence. The options given to you are play and plays, piano. Remember, with I, you, we, and they, we use the verb as it is. We do not add anything to it. So which verb are you going to take? Excellent, children. Play. Mom. The options given to you are cook or cooks. Delicious food. So mom is a person, right? It's a name of a person. So what do we use with it? Yes, we add an S to it. Excellent, children. So mom cooks delicious food. Now, next sentence, let us read together, children. A dog, the options given to you are is, are, a man's best friend. A dog is a name of animal, right? Dog is our man's best friend. So dog is one animal or more than one animal? Excellent, children. It is one animal. If it was more than one, it would be dogs. So which word are we going to use? Is or are? Good, children. We are going to use is because we use is with one thing. They, the options given to you are live, lives in Tokyo. Remember the rule of present tense? Yes, children, with words I, you, we, and they. We do not make any change to the verb. We use the verb as it is. So what are we going to use? Which verb? Excellent, children. Live. They live in Tokyo. Red pandas is or in danger. So which word are you going to use with it? Is or are? Look at the noun. The noun over here is pandas. Red pandas. So it is more than one panda. So which word are we going to use? Excellent. We are going to use are. So red pandas are in danger. Choose the correct past tense verb. Let us read it together. The dress dash very uncomfortable. Here the options given to you are ate and was. The dress dash. Which word are you going to use in this? Ate or was? Excellent. Was very uncomfortable. The second sentence, John dash his food. Which verb are you going to use? Ate or was? Excellent. John ate his food. Wonderful job, children. Now let us have a quick summary of what we learned today. We learned to identify present and past tense, to use present and past tense accurately in sentences. Do you remember all this, children? Excellent. And always remember the rules. With words I, you, we, and they, we use the verb as it is in the present tense. We do not make any change to it. And with words he, she, and it, and names, right? We use the verb with s. Thank you so much, children, for attending Zoom lessons. See you tomorrow with a new lesson. Until then, goodbye and have a nice time.